Hello and welcome back to the World of Sports with Teddy Abramson. Today we are doing a Madden edition. And right now we are in
Fort D's. It took a long time to make this, and I hope you guys will like it.
Yes, we have the TV set up in Fort D's. If you'd like to see it.
And that's where we'll be playing.
And then we have this fort. And then we also have Christmas lights in here just in almost Christmas time. Or it is Christmas time, it's almost Christmas Day. So let's start rolling. Fort D's here.
Welcome back, guys. We are in Fort D's.
No one wants to.
Fantasy draft rebuild. Teddy is in the
Teddy, this should be
I am the Green Bay Packers. Let's see what happens. And I can't see the guys pick, but it is the Green Bay
I can do
Packers.
it.
That will be
It's just gonna be a lot.
hard to do.
Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
And the Green Bay Packers
I can lock down
will select
people. He's gonna be a 99 in 2 years. Guaranteed.
Packers.
You're filmed. Nice. Okay, guys.
No, it's the video that we do. It's the video we do.
Then, it is
You have to do it all.
okay.
Good job. I hope
How do nothing? I don't think so. I'm not sure you do. That's pretty good. Let's go. Let's go. I need some data. I don't remember all of this. Yeah.
And the Patriots are going to select get that defense in. Yeah, superstar X Factor.
Let me tell you.
And now, Green Bay Packers are selecting
Oh,
the players.
all day. All
And
in
he picked the house.
DeAndre Hopkins.
Patriots to select this drummer. Wait, Packers, sorry.
What's it?
And now he is going to take a QB here. Who's he going to take? Viewers don't want to see all this. Right, viewers? You don't want to see all this? You're getting bored. Okay. And now,
Oh, this
yeah.
82 overall. Great team.
Yep.
That's
what I like to see. That's what I like to see from my boys.
This team's really good. If we go over to my team, I don't think I'm the greatest. I haven't really been. Did a lot of the young plays.
Yeah, you got a lot of young players. So I think
A lot of young players.
in a couple of years, his team will
I'm
be.
a 79, 84D.
Yeah, his QB is Kyler Murray. I mean,
I
decent.
traded for Kyler Murray.
Yeah, he drafted Jordan Love, and then he got Kyler Murray in a trade.
So we will see you guys at the mid-season mark.
Yep.
And we're back at the mid-season mark. Let's see how our teams are doing. And yeah.
First up, we got the Green Bay Packers.
Oh no.
Falling behind.
No.
They are 1-6, last in their
They're
division.
1-6. That's gosh. But the Patriots are 4-3.
Hey, I like that. Hey, we are so good. We are so good. We are better than Griffin's team. We are better than Griffin's team because he's the Packers and he is 1-6. That is terrible. His offense is not doing good. Just not at all.
Not a great start. We'll see you guys at the postseason mark. It doesn't look like I'm gonna make it, but hopefully Teddy will make
Yep.
it. And we're back at the playoffs. Hopefully my team made it. Hopefully Teddy's team made it.
Yeah, Packers mid-season mark 1-6, not very good.
So
But
let's see.
but me and the Patriots were 4-3. Let's see how we ended up.
And the Patriots are the 4 seed.
We're the 4 seed. Let's go. Packers did not.
make the
make it.
playoffs. What was our record though?
Yeah, that's what we want to know. Ooh, that's tough.
4-12.
Packers finishing 4-12, last in their division. Last.
We'll look at the award. 32nd offense. That's definitely why.
The
12 defense though.
the
Let's
last
look at the
last in the league in offense.
Joe Burrow wins MVP.
Wow, the young stuff.
That's a new one. Taysom Hill comes in 4th. It's Magic. Yeah. There's Fred Warner. Justin Jefferson.
Surprised nobody's here for the Pats.
Yeah. We'll see how Teddy does.
Yep.
See how Teddy does in the playoffs.
But we'll see you then.
And we found out earlier that Teddy has lost in the playoffs.
No.
31-26. The Bengals just outscored the Pats.
I am mad.
Wow.
I am mad.
Yeah, I don't blame him. His
Hey,
team was
at
very
least
good.
we made it to the playoffs, unlike the 4-12 Packers.
I'm not saying like you guys, your team wasn't good. I'm just
I'm saying your team wasn't good.
well. I got it. We will see you at the free agency mark.
See you then. Hello now. We are now to the next season.
And we're in the postseason.
Yeah. We've
and
seen to the postseason and to the playoff bracket.
And in the AFC, Teddy does not make it.
And
I
neither.
don't make it either.
Let's see our records.
Whoa, that's insane,
The Patriots
guys.
made it last year, but apparently not this year.
6-10.
Oh wow. He
just not
went
very good.
went from 11-5 to 6-10. I wonder if we had any injuries or suspensions or something going on there. Oh, the Packers finishing 4-12 again. Again.
You guys might think
again.
that we just same for the same year, but
Nope, it's
We
New
did.
Year.
It's a new year. The NFC just looking horrible. Their best team was 11-5. Second 10-6, 9-7, 9-7, 8-8, 8-8.
The Patriots finished 11-5 last year, but this year
6
fallen
and 10.
6-10. I am mad with my team. I wonder if any.
Oh, your team, your overall's going down, Teddy. It was at an 82 at the beginning.
I wonder what
It's
happened.
going down. Oh, T. Higgins. Good man. Yeah, it's going down, down, down.
Well,
That's
all for us.
today.
see you next time on the World of Sports with Teddy and Griffin. Goodbye.